Hello friends. Welcome to our English session. Today we will discuss about how English listening lifts you up in anything. When you read anything. Introduction. In the realm of language acquisition and personal growth, one aspect that often remains underestimated is listening. Especially in English, which has become the lingua franca of the world, listening serves not merely as a passive skill but as a dynamic gateway to understanding, interpreting, and integrating knowledge from various sources. When you train yourself to listen effectively in English, it transforms how you read and comprehend English texts. Whether you are reading a novel, a research article, a self-help book, or news online, English listening empowers your mind to connect with the content more deeply. It lifts you up, enhances your comprehension, fuels your confidence, and sharpens your analytical thinking. This essay explores how English listening improves your reading capabilities and enriches your life in various domains, including education, communication, career development, creativity, and emotional intelligence. 1. The connection between listening and reading. Listening and reading are both receptive language skills. While reading involves interpreting written text, listening focuses on spoken language. However, these two skills are not isolated. In fact, the more you listen in English, the more attuned you become to sentence structures, intonations, rhythm, stress, and context clues. These patterns get imprinted into your mind, making reading smoother and more intuitive. When you listen to fluent English speakers, through podcasts, audiobooks, movies, lectures, or conversations, you begin to hear the words in your mind as you read. This internal voice guides your reading, helping you predict meaning, understand tone, and navigate complex sentences. Listening thus forms a bridge between sound and text, lifting your understanding beyond just decoding words. 2. Boosting vocabulary and word recognition. Listening exposes you to thousands of words in real-life contexts. Unlike memorizing vocabulary from flashcards, listening helps you experience how words are used naturally. You hear them in different accents, emotions, and situations. When you later encounter these words in written form, they don't seem foreign. Instead, you recognize them, recall their meanings, and grasp their usage immediately. For instance, if you frequently listen to TED Talks or interviews, you'll notice that complex academic or philosophical terms are often repeated with examples. These get stored in your mental dictionary. Then, when you read an academic article, your brain recalls the earlier listening experience, helping you understand without feeling overwhelmed. 3. Enhancing comprehension and contextual understanding. Listening trains your brain to understand meaning even when you don't know every word. This skill directly transfers to reading. Skilled English listeners learn to pick up on tone, emphasis, pauses, and verbal cues, which add meaning beyond words. As a result, when they read, they are better at interpreting sarcasm, humor, emotion, and implied meaning. Additionally, listening helps you understand idioms, phrasal verbs, and cultural references, elements that often puzzle readers. If you've heard the phrase, break the ice, many times in conversations, it's easier to understand it while reading than trying to decode it literally. Hence, listening lifts up your reading ability by improving your interpretive and inferential skills. 4. Improving pronunciation and internal speech during reading. Fluent readers often hear the words as they read. This internal speech is heavily influenced by how you've heard the language spoken. Regular English. Listening trains your pronunciation, which in turn shapes your inner reading voice. As a result, you read faster, with better fluency, and less confusion. Moreover, correct internal pronunciation helps in better comprehension. For example, a learner who has listened to spoken English will know how to distinguish homophones like there, and there, by context, even if they sound the same. This mental clarity gives you confidence in both silent reading and reading aloud. 5. Developing focus and patience. Listening requires attention, patience, and perseverance, skills that are also essential for reading, especially long or challenging texts. If you have practiced sustained listening, such as attending to a 40-minute podcast or an audiobook chapter, your mind becomes more disciplined. This endurance translates into better focus while reading. You are less likely to get distracted or give up on a difficult passage. Moreover, listening builds your ability to process information in real time. This means your reading speed and comprehension improve simultaneously because your brain is already trained to make sense of incoming information quickly. 6. Encouraging a positive attitude towards learning. English listening can be highly enjoyable. Think of your favorite music, movies, or YouTube channels. This enjoyment builds a positive association with the English language. As a result, reading becomes less of a chore and more of a pleasant activity. You begin to see language as a tool for connection, knowledge, and entertainment. When you enjoy listening, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with motivation and pleasure. This emotional reward system makes you more open to learning and reading. Thus, the joy of listening lifts your attitude, which lifts your reading motivation, and that lifts your overall performance in education, work, or personal growth. 7. Gaining cultural and emotional intelligence. Language is more than words, it is culture, emotion, and expression. Listening helps you grasp the emotional tone and cultural nuances that are often lost in written texts. For example, you understand the difference between formal and informal tones, or how emotions are expressed in different contexts. When you read something later, you can sense the writer's tone more accurately because your listening experiences have taught you how people speak in various emotional states. This emotional intelligence enables you to respond with empathy and appropriateness, be it in emails, essays, or discussions. 8. Empowering professional and academic excellence. Professionals and students who develop strong English listening skills tend to excel in reading heavy tasks. From understanding technical documents and manuals to writing research papers or client reports, everything improves when you comprehend what you read. Listening builds a knowledge base and trains your mind to structure information logically. In job interviews, corporate meetings, or academic seminars, effective listening leads to better understanding of instructions and expectations. When you later read related documents, your memory and comprehension are sharper, helping you perform confidently. Conclusion. Listening in English is not a passive activity. It is a transformative skill that empowers every other language function, especially reading. It shapes your vocabulary, strengthens your comprehension, enhances your pronunciation, deepens your focus, and uplifts your emotional engagement with texts. Whether you are reading for fun, for exams, for work, or for self-improvement, your listening practice serves as a silent partner, guiding and supporting every word you encounter. How English speaking boosts your confidence in various areas of education. Introduction. In today's globalized world, English has emerged as the universal language of education, communication, research, and professional development. It is not only the language of textbooks and academic papers but also the medium through which students, teachers, and researchers interact across cultures and disciplines. Speaking English fluently and confidently in educational settings can be a transformative experience. It empowers students and professionals alike to engage more effectively in learning environments, express their ideas clearly, and participate actively in both academic and extracurricular opportunities. This essay explores how English speaking boosts confidence in various areas of education, such as classroom learning, academic performance, presentations, debates, group discussions, higher education abroad, e-learning, competitive exams, and career readiness. It demonstrates how English-speaking skills open doors to educational success and personal empowerment. 1. English speaking in classroom learning. Classrooms are the foundational spaces of education. Whether in school or college, The ability to speak English fluently enhances participation, engagement, and confidence. Students who can communicate in English are more likely to ask questions and clear doubts, interact with teachers and classmates, share thoughts in classroom discussions, feel more included and less isolated. Speaking English gives students a voice in the classroom. It builds self-assurance and reduces the fear of judgment, especially in competitive academic environments. 2. Boosting academic performance. Many educational resources, textbooks, reference materials, scientific journals, and even lectures are available primarily in English. Students who can speak English fluently are often better at understanding complex concepts, participating in interactive lectures, taking oral tests and viva exams, writing essays and defending ideas verbally. Confidence in speaking English enhances a student's ability to explain what they have learned, leading to better academic results and improved communication with educators. 3. Presentations and public speaking. Educational journeys are increasingly focused on communication-based assessments. Students often present projects, research papers, or assignments in front of teachers or peers. English speaking helps students to deliver confident presentations, explain slides with clarity, answer follow-up questions with ease, avoid stage fright and nervousness. Mastery of spoken English improves body language, fluency, and audience engagement. As students grow more comfortable speaking in front of groups, their self-esteem and academic confidence rise. 4. Group discussions and debates. Debates and group discussions are common in schools, colleges, and entrance exams. These activities test not only knowledge but also articulation and clarity of thought. English speaking allows participants to express opinions logically, counter arguments effectively, use persuasive language, collaborate with others in a team. Students who speak confidently in English find it easier to stand out, lead conversations, and earn respect from peers. It builds leadership and collaborative skills early in their education. 5. Studying abroad and international education. Many students dream of studying in countries like the USA, UK, Canada, Australia, or other English-speaking nations. English proficiency is often a requirement, but spoken fluency adds a layer of confidence when attending interviews for admissions or visas, interacting with foreign professors and classmates, participating in global classroom settings, adjusting to new cultures and educational styles. Students who speak English confidently are better prepared to adapt and thrive in international institutions. They can make friends, engage in campus life, and represent their countries with pride. 6. Learning and online education. With the rise of digital learning, platforms like Coursera, Khan Academy, edX, and Udemy provide courses in English. Speaking English confidently helps students to participate in live online classes, ask questions in chat or video discussions, record responses and video submissions, present their learning outcomes online. Online learners who speak English fluently can make the most of global opportunities, take part in discussion forums, and even become online educators themselves. 7. Confidence in competitive exams. Various entrance and competitive exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, and interviews for jobs or scholarships include English-speaking components. Fluency in English speaking gives students an edge when attending interviews or panel discussions, participating in speaking tests, explaining their reasoning or problem-solving steps, facing spontaneous questions with clarity. Candidates who can speak English with confidence are more persuasive, presentable, and impressive to examiners. This can lead to admissions, scholarships, or career breaks. 8. Communication with teachers and mentors. Strong mentor relationships are crucial in education. Speaking English well helps students to seek academic guidance confidently, Request recommendation letters. Discuss research or career goals. Network with educators and alumni. Confidence in English speaking ensures that students are not hesitant to approach mentors, ask questions, or build professional relationships. 9. Access to global knowledge and resources. Most of the world's educational content, lectures, videos, academic papers, conferences, is in English. Speaking the language fluently makes it easier to engage with TED Talks, academic YouTube channels, and expert interviews. Attend international webinars and virtual summits. Join academic communities and mailing lists. Contribute to blogs, podcasts, or research. This boosts confidence by enabling learners to stay updated, exchange ideas, and develop informed perspectives beyond textbooks. 10. Career readiness and interviews. Education is not only about learning, it prepares students for careers. Employers look for candidates who can speak English confidently during job interviews, workplace interactions, team meetings and presentations, networking events. Students with good English speaking skills project professionalism, intelligence, and leadership. They can pitch themselves better and seize more opportunities. 11. Enhancing creativity and self-expression. Speaking English fluently enables students to take part in creative activities like dramas, skits, and elocution contests, poetry recitation and storytelling, blogging or YouTube vlogging in English, creative writing and public performances. These platforms boost both linguistic and emotional confidence. Students learn to express who they are, tell their stories, and connect with wider audiences. 12. Breaking social and psychological barriers. Many students from non-English speaking backgrounds struggle with low self-esteem. They may feel shy, inadequate, or isolated in educational settings. Learning to speak English fluently helps them to overcome fear and embarrassment, interact freely with peers and teachers, gain social acceptance and visibility, develop a sense of equality and empowerment. Speaking English is often seen as a mark of intelligence and modernity. Mastering it removes barriers and opens doors to a better academic and social experience. Conclusion. English speaking is not just a language skill, it is a life skill that shapes educational experiences in powerful ways. It boosts confidence in the classroom, improves academic performance, and enhances participation in debates, presentations, and global learning platforms. It equips students for competitive exams, overseas education, digital learning, and job readiness. More importantly, it empowers students to find their voice, express their ideas, and engage meaningfully with the world. As education becomes more international and interactive, the ability to speak English fluently is essential for personal growth, academic excellence, and global citizenship. By investing in English-speaking skills, students invest in a brighter, more confident future. Thank you, friends. Like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such listening session. And share your love in comment box. Have a nice day. See you in next class.